Good morning, YouTubers. Yesterday I changed the bushings for my steering rack. I tried to make a video, but it didn't work out. So today I would go through the procedures of what I did to change the bushings for the rack. First, this is a 22. You get out this. Here is a 19. There is another 19 at the top, which you have to take out. And inside here, let me see if I could get my hand. There is a bolt right here, which is also a 19. You have to get out. There is a 12 right here. You have to take out. It would loosen up those lines. The vehicle is right wheel drive, it's not left. We are in the Caribbean. Then you take out the tie rod end. It's also a 22. You loosen your sway bar bushings at the top to give the rack more play to come out. When you pull it out, you use a C-clamp to get out this bushing. That bushing I knocked out. It has a metal washer at the back of it. It was this way. I just use another socket, put it on it with a hammer, and I knock it out. It came out fairly easy. That's the other bushing. I used the C-clamp to take it out. That bushing goes right here, which came out fairly easy because it was old. It came out fairly easy. When replacing the steering rack back, you put it in place. You use a jack here to jack it up because it will be kind of harder, and you hold this universal joint and you shake it. You keep on shaking it, so it would keep on climbing gradually. When you get it in this groove here, that's a plate there, and it has a plate at the top, which the bushing and the housing has to sit in between that. Once you get it lined up, first thing you have to do is get this in. Don't study here yet. If you study here, the thickness of that bushing would prevent the arm from moving. Once you get this bolt in, then you could start tackling this side. You put your nut at the bottom and the top, and you tighten it gradually, not all at once. You tighten here, then you go on top here, you tighten on top here. You tighten down there, you tighten there. It brings the steering rack in. Then you come here and you tighten this one all the way. When you tighten it, it would bring it in. Then you try to put that one in. Do not tighten these two fully as yet. Try to put your center bolt in. Once it drop in, then you could send that in all the way and tighten this one by hand still. Just tighten it by hand, and then you tighten down here, you tighten here, you tighten the top. Once it's firmly seated, then you run this one in, which means it's not cross-threaded or anything. Once you get it in by hand, it's good. Then you tighten it. When you get them in, this bolt here, which is the driver's side, the torque is 141 foot per pound. This one here on the top is 123, and also the top, let me see if I, and also this top is 123 foot per pound. The steering rack the tie rod end for the rack is 67 foot per pound, which is this one, and these are 14 foot per pound. That's if you have a torque wrench. If you don't, you just tighten by hand. But the stabilizer bar, once you have it loose, make sure you, before you tighten it, put the weight of the vehicle on the stabilizer bar, and then you tighten. The bushing that goes here comes with two washers, spacers, whatever they call that. It comes with two, which you would have to choose which one yours have, if it's the thick one or if it's the slim one. But the bolt would be able to pass through both of them. That's it for now, until the next video. Just do a visual inspection before you put the vehicle down and you place this guard back. You would have to remove that so you could work on the steering back. I call it a skid plate. That's it for now until the next one. Bye.